Just in time for a fall refresh, lifestyle expert Michelle Jobin joins us now with some of her favorite curated products for high-end results on kind of like budget prices.
Absolutely, Annette. And you know, I think this is the time of year at fall. We are so busy in the fall. It's back to work, back to school, lots of events, lots going on. So we want to streamline our beauty routine because nobody has time to be all over the place with those things. So I've got items from skincare, hair care, and makeup that will help simplify your life.
Let's start off with skincare.
We need to start off with skincare because it's the foundation for all of those things, right? And for me, I have combination skin, so I get this sampling of sort of, I think, what everybody needs because I have some areas dry, some areas that are a little bit oilier. So I love Olay Micro-Sculpting Cream so much for this because it gives me the deep hydration that I need without being greasy. And it's a really great value. It is dermatologist tested. It is science backed. We love science. It's a great thing. And it also is a great value. I love that it has a really thick, luxurious texture. I'm going to demo it right here on my hand without feeling heavy or greasy on my skin.
So would you use it twice a day, once a day?
Once in the morning, once at night as well. It really depends on what you feel your skin needs, but you can use it twice a day as well. And it just really, you know, has that wonderful light scent. And it has 3 skincare ingredients that are so important that previously I would have gotten in separate products, all in one. So it has peptides for collagen and plumping. It also has niacinamide for helping to even tone and strengthen the skin barrier, which is so important in the colder months. And then it also has hyaluronic acid and glycerin for that deep, deep, deep hydration. So all in all, in 28 days, you get smoother, firmer, more hydrated looking skin.
Okay, and that's available at Walmart?
It is available at Walmart, yes.
Okay, now on to hair care.
Hair care is also so important, and I have learned the hard way that heat protection is an incredibly important thing. I have had incredible breakage. I have finer hair, but everybody needs heat protection, and in the fall, we're more likely to be heat styling our hair than in the summer, right? Sometimes I just let my hair air dry in the summer. So OGX Bond Protein Repair, there's an entire line here, pre-shampoo, shampoo, conditioner, treatment products.
What is a pre-shampoo?
It's a product that you can put on your hair before the shampoo to sort of prep yourself for the routine. So it's a great item, but my hero product in this line is the Heat Protect Spray. So this is a super fine mist. It's okay, I'm gonna demo it here. Super fine, so it doesn't weigh my hair down, but it's great for all hair types and it protects your hair up to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So it protects against the breakage, and because it has the Bond Protein Repair, dual action, strengthens your hair from the inside out and makes it smoother, stronger, more resilient on the outside.
Could you use that on dry hair, or do you do it like just kind of before you finish drying your hair?
I sometimes, I will put it on, I'll sort of let my hair dry a little bit, then apply it, then finish drying my hair, and then definitely with the styling tools, apply this first. So that is something that I love. It's available at Shoppers Drug Mart, works well with the entire line. It is my absolute MVP for hair care.
Okay, now to celebrity. We've got about a minute left.
Okay, perfect. Well, I want to tell you about Fenty Beauty. Makeup is that perfect finishing touch.
It's Rihanna.
It is Rihanna as well, who is this absolute icon when it comes to fashion and music, but also beauty. And she created Fenty Beauty really with what she loves in mind, having fun, celebrating individual beauty, but inclusivity. So this is the amazing thing about Fenty Beauty. Extensive product range, but you know if you go to it, you'll get what you need.
Yes,
so
you'll get the shade that you want, because she has an amazing limit of
50.
Yeah.
50 foundation shades, 50, which is really incredible. So it is my absolute go-to. Foundations are incredible. The product formulations are wonderful. It's a bit of mid-price range. You can find it at fentybeauty.com, but I love the gloss bomb sticks and gloss bombs for really, really fun luminized lips. I love the body lava. This is a really fun product that kind of gives your body a little bit of a luminized glow with the vanilla
I like that.
scent. It's really fun for a special occasion, and you know, it just has great setting products as well.
10 seconds left, so that's available online.
fentybeauty.com.
Michelle, thanks so much for coming in. We got all these links up on our website, chch.com.